the guests they come to me and they speak about the music and the sound. It's all there, but it's not too loud, and that's the advantage of the Void sound system, I think. And when it goes louder, you still have the frequency of your voice that you can talk to each other, frequency that people can hear each other. And the other frequencies are used for the music, the low, high, and sub. They really giving me compliments about sound system, and also that it's the low is very warm, full. It doesn't resonate when you put the volume up. We chose to have them painted in gold because it fits the whole restaurant. Everything is gold, green, Mediterranean. Yeah. So they had all speakers taken apart and painted in gold. Yeah, they fit in the environment. So this is pretty amazing. I'm really happy with it. Play it every weekend, twice a week. So thank you, Void.